bats because they think bats are like vampires. But don't worry, vampire bats are not native to Australia. Our native bats are flying foxes, also called fruit bats. If you grow fruit, don't use nets. They injure bats. Instead, be prepared to share. If you see a bat, don't touch it. It could injure you and or make you sick. Just call your wildlife rescue team. We love bats. In summer, they live near our house. In winter, they move away. So as we are filming in winter, we're going to have to improvise and you are going to have to use your imagination. Bats are nocturnal. At night they forage for food. They leave the babies behind when they get too big to carry. Early in the morning the bats return. In some way they're like people. They like a good little chat and each mother knows their own baby. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. You can help by making your garden bat friendly. Do not plant cocoa plants, which are poisonous to bats. And remove netting or barbed wire. Now you know why we love bats. They're an important part of the great circle of life and we hope you love them too.